What's up with it, family? It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, and I am back in the place, in your face. And today we are making some delicious yet simple potato salad, baby. Something for the cookout or something at home. Either way it go, it's gonna be delicious. And it's simple. I only got 8 ingredients, and it's gonna be delicious, simple potato salad, baby. Yeah, let's get to it. So first, let's get our pot of water on it. We're gonna turn it up to medium high. There we go. Let's add us about half a tablespoon kosher salt and about a teaspoon of black pepper, baby. We're gonna bring that to a boil. All right, let's get our potatoes cut. Now you can peel them if you want to. I sometimes leave the skin on mine depending on how I feel. But as you can see, they're all washed thoroughly and clean. And also, I already boiled my eggs. Had some eggs this morning, so there's no need to boil the eggs. But if you're using eggs for yours, then you want to start the eggs before you start your water for your potatoes. So we're just gonna cut them up, even chunks like that right there. Let's get them in our water over here. And we're using medium-sized potatoes. So once again, in the water, that off of there. And try to get them all cut as evenly as possible. That way, they'll cook all the same. There we go. Alrighty. Finish these last two up. We'll wait for our water to get hot and boiling. And then we can cook our taters. We're gonna cook those until they're fork tender for, I'll say, 15 to 20, 22 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do our thing with this potato salad. Yeah. Let's get this last one cut. Just let this water get hot. We're gonna drop them in the pot. You like that, did you? Yeah. All right, as you can see, got that water boiling, baby. We got it going. Let's get our potatoes in there. I just try not to dump them all in at once and have water splattering everywhere. So I just do it by the handful until I get to the bottom. Just like that. There it is right there. Let's give it a good little stir around. Just like that. And we're gonna kick back for about 15 and 22 minutes until these are fork tender, baby. All right, let's see what we got. I think we where we need to be. If I can get one. Oh yeah, we where we need to be. Might have went a little bit over. But it's fork tender right there. There we go. All right, they ready. Let's go ahead and get them drained. As you can see, we got them drained and they ready to go, baby. They are ready. Let me show you. There we go. That's what you want right there. All right, now we're just gonna set them in the refrigerator and we're just gonna let them cool for maybe 10, 15 minutes. We're gonna come back. We're gonna whip everything up. We're gonna have us some delicious potato salad, baby. Yeah. All right, let's peel these eggs. I got another one just in case I want some up. It ain't enough. And it always helps peel your eggs if you use a little salt while it's boiling, and you rinse them with the cold water. And you should have no problem peeling them. As you can see, they should come off the whole shell. Don't have no broken eggs or nothing like that. Bam, just like that. And just run it under some water, get the little broken egg shells off. Let's do that again. So just make sure it's cracked all the way. Top, bottom, sides. Kind of squeeze it a little bit. There you go, get that shell broken. And then just start the peeling, baby. Just like that. Easy as 1, 2, and 3. Bye, y'all. There it is. See, you got your egg. It ain't all got pieces missing out of it. It's a smooth egg, baby. Like I say, run a little water over it. Get the broken egg shells off. And we ready. While potatoes are cooling, let's go ahead and get everything done. There's our egg right there. There we go. Let's just get it cut up. Diced up however you want to do it. I try to keep my yolk somewhat intact. There we go. Just get it all cut up. And all we have to do now is once our potatoes cool, we're gonna mix everything up. So give it about another 8-9 minutes. And we're gonna be back to whip up this delicious homemade potato salad, baby. Yeah, got our potatoes cool. Let's whip this thing on up, baby. So we're gonna start off some Miracle Whip. Let's get that all in there. There we go. Got us some yellow mustard. Let's get that in there. Oh yeah. We got sweet relish. You can use dill if you want to. I like sweet in mine. Let's get that in there. We got us some kosher salt. And don't worry, family, I'll put the measurements in the description at the bottom. Got us some onion powder. There we go. That in there. And we got us some white ground pepper. Let's get that in there. And last but not least, we got them boiled eggs, baby. Them boiled eggs. Let's get that in there. And you know what's next. We just gonna mix it up. Try to fold them up, fold it in. Try to fold it. Try to keep your potatoes whole. But if you or like me, and you grew up eating your potato salad where it was mostly mashed. That's how we do it in my family. So I'm just doing this for mainly presentation wise, but we mash ours up, baby. So let's just keep mixing until we get the consistency that we want. We're gonna taste for likeness. And when we get what we want, we're gonna put it in a bowl and we're going to present it. Good old fashioned potato salad, baby. Oh yeah. Let's give it a taste. Get our taste on. Taste for likeness. Oh yeah. That's it right there. That's it right there. And if you want, you can also peel the potatoes. I'm not gonna lie, I was being lazy. I didn't want to peel the potatoes, so I still got the skin on it, but it's thoroughly washed. So you don't have to worry about that at all. But here it is, family. The good old fashioned potato salad, baby. Yeah. All right, family, that is it. That is all. We just made us some delicious potato salad, y'all. Check us out. Ooh. Delicious, simple, easy to make potato salad. Yeah. Let's taste it. See what we did. See what we got. See what kind of hit it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. Just to get it right here. Take it to a cookout. Eat it at home. Either way it go, it's gonna be delicious, baby. Yeah. So if you found this video interesting, if you learned something new, if you like what you saw, if you like the content, hit the like button. If it's your first time or your second time, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you know what we doing, when we doing it, because we doing this, baby. That boy can cook, out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. Yeah.